Aloha guys, hope everyone's doing well. Good morning. I am bringing you a little unboxing of something not the norm. It is from a company. A lot of you guys may not know that I'm actually caring for my mom with dementia. So it's a pretty heavy journey. It's been a while. I moved back from Hawaii to be here with her. But there's a company called ViewClix, and it's essentially a monitor that I can call into, and it basically gives my mom apparently no option. So I can call in, she can't initiate the call, but I can initiate the call for her. It will automatically answer, which is great because if you know, even something like an iPad is very challenging for them to swipe or do anything. Really, they become, almost like a 2-year-old at times. So for me to have something that automatically answers and hopefully is a nice quality display. Now, mind you, I paid for this, and first time trying, it took like a month plus to wait because there apparently is such a demand. It's called ViewClix. For those, Rich DeMuro, who's a really good tech guy and awesome, guy for, I believe, Channel 2 News or one of the news stations in LA. But regardless, he suggested this too. So let's get going and see what this is about. I don't know what's in the box. I did open it with my knife, and let's see what we have here. So right off the bat, we have, it's kind of packed. I don't know if you can see, right up to the top. I got my bird squawking. I have a remote. I don't know what that is. I have what looks to be a power cable. I have a speaker output adapter. This adapter is only needed if you wish to attach external speakers to the ViewClix frame. So that's not happening. I don't know what this is yet. And then apparently it looks like we have the frame as the remainder. So it looks like we have the frame as the remaining item in this box. So pretty simple in regards to what's in it. Push this stuff out of the way. Birds are really annoying at times. And so ViewClix, nothing else in it. So that's kind of neat that it is pretty simplistic as far as the packaging. Let me get that out of the way. And here we have it. So I'm going to take this off. We have operating instructions. We have the monitor. Looks nice. So, seems like a quality little guy. I don't know. I didn't look at it yet completely. So this is the back side. I don't know if you could see. I'm going to try not to get this thing fingerprinty. Don't put the monitor side down first. I'll keep this here for now. Actually, I'm going to be really careful with it because it is for my mom and it's for me as well to be able to communicate with her if I'm traveling or anything. So I want it to be as good as it can get. You got the operating instructions. So introduction. First, a few essentials. So it says what you'll need. A web browser on PC, Mac, or tablet to log into ViewClix members portal. Also, you can share photos, make video calls, and post sticky notes with any of the following devices: Apple or Android smartphone, Apple or Android tablet. So essentially it's supported on anything. So apparently what it is you get the remote control, a frame stand, a microphone, and a power adapter. So essentially these are the simple instructions. They do look simple enough. I'm not going to go ahead and read them all to you, but it looks pretty straightforward. I should see what the resolution of the camera is, because I don't know. I want to say, I hope it's 1080. Let me see the specs. Tips. They should have the specs in here. That would kind of be a little bit annoying if they don't. But let me take this out of the plastic and take a peek at it. So, I don't know if you could see that without the glare, but it's a nice looking monitor. I mean, it looks pretty. for the most part. The back is over here. So it looks pretty simple. Power. The little stand, I'm sure, goes there. And that's that. And again, the front of it is this guy right here. So looks nice. I'm excited to use it, but I wanted to at least do a little simple unboxing to show you guys. But the nice thing is I can send pictures to my mom, which isn't really the main reason I'm getting this for her. I believe it was around $300. So definitely well worth it if you guys ever experience caring for a loved one. It is a very challenging journey, but a journey that is very worthwhile and rewarding. You got to really look closely for the blessings. Just like the other day, I was sitting with my mom. I brought her to my house, and out of nowhere, she said, "Thank you." And mind you, she's got a lot of confusion, and her dementia's pretty bad. And I said, "For what?" And she goes, "For all you've done for me and for getting me this far in life." So, you know, little moments like that of clarity, which you know your real mom is coming through and actually very appreciative and thankful for everything you've done. And she's done the world for me as well. So, you know, it's a good, rewarding journey, but it's very tough at the same time. But anyway, I wanted to give you a little glimpse. Anyone who is looking, you know, I mean, especially now with the quarantine period, this is something that is a really nice option. And again, the iPad I did with the Skype and all that kind of stuff, and or FaceTime, it's just way too challenging. This thing, apparently, I initiate through my app, and it automatically answers for her, so she doesn't have to literally do anything. I just pop up on the screen. But with that being said, ViewClix 15, I believe they have a 11 or 13 inch model, I forget which, but I got the larger of the one, the ViewClix 15, and that's it for now. So I'll let you know how it works and if my mom's stoked, and just check it out. I believe I'll put the link below. It's viewclix.com or Google ViewClix and you'll find it. So I hope this helps for anyone who is looking for an answer to connecting with their loved one, whether they're in a nursing home or supportive living facility or assisted living or just away. Even, you know, as I said, if you're living out of state, this is definitely something that you can easily stay connected with that may be a little bit more simpler for anyone who's having challenges with technology. So aloha guys, bye.